Welcome back to character elimination. I know it's been 2 days, but at least we're not dead. Anyways, since SMG4's team lost, let's go to the elimination. Since the Grounders lost, let's go to the elimination center. Alright, Grounders, I'm the elimination host, Sonic, and I will be the elimination host. Fuck you, Sonic. I really hate you. Shut up, Cyan Animate. You are not telling me what to do. I tell you what to do, because you're the bad person and I'm the good person. Oh, shut up. Anyways, the person winning the prize with 2 votes is SMG4. Congrats, buddy. You've won the prize. Your prize is a golden burger. Now on to the elimination votes. I have 7 chili dogs, and if you don't get one, you're eliminated. Everyone but Cyan Animate has 0 votes, meaning he's eliminated with 3 votes. But since he talked back to me, he gets an extra 3 votes. And as for swearing at me, he gets times 2 votes. So now that's 12 votes. So goodbye, Cyan Animate. What? Why am I eliminated? It's because you pooped all over the cake. Who wants to take Cyan Animate to the rocket? I will. At last words before you go home. You will all pay for this when I come back. All of you. Alright, the next challenge is to paint a picture that I would like. And I would like too. Don't forget. Alright, who can make the best painting? We don't know. Go! Hey Mario, what are you painting? Well, I'm painting a salad. Because Chase likes salad. With lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Oh wait, I forgot the cheese and the croutons. Courtney, what are you doing? Courtney, why would you do that? Because I hate salads. But that doesn't mean you have to destroy the painting. That does mean I have to destroy the freaking painting. Alright, time's up. Let me show your paintings. Alright, Microsoft Sam, since the Grounders are too lazy, you're the one who got here. Alright, show me your painting. Okay. It's a chalk rock painting in a yellow background. Wow, I like chalk rock. I give it a 10 out of 10. Me too. But I give it a 9 out of 10. So your score is a 19 out of 20. But since Courtney destroyed the painting, it's a 0 out of 20. So the video makers are up for elimination. Vote for someone to eliminate. Voting ends tomorrow.